The 2026 Paradigm 395DS from Alliance RV is more than just a fifth wheel. It's a statement. A rolling luxury residence crafted for families, full-timers, and travelers who demand both space and refinement. When Alliance set out to build the 395DS, their goal was clear: to create an RV that blends the comfort of a modern apartment with the durability and innovation required for life on the road. The result is nothing short of perfection. At over 42 feet in length with a wide body design measuring 101 inches across, this RV offers a floor plan that feels expansive, open, and residential. As you approach it, you notice the impressive profile, towering at nearly 13.5 feet tall, with sleek exterior lines, premium paint finish, and solid construction built on Alliance's benchmark chassis. Hydraulic 6-point leveling ensures stability and makes setup effortless, while the heavy-duty suspension and solid axles are engineered to deliver durability mile after mile. This is an RV built to travel, but also to live in, without compromise. Step through the entry door, and the interior immediately takes your breath away. The Paradigm 395DS welcomes you into a space filled with natural light, warm residential finishes, and an open design that feels more like a high-end condominium than an RV. The living area is a true lounge, designed for both relaxation and entertainment. Plush dual reclining theater seats with cup holders and USB ports are perfectly positioned across from a massive 50-inch smart TV. Below it, an elegant fireplace adds warmth and ambiance, turning any campsite into a cozy retreat. A full sofa sleeper expands the seating and provides additional sleeping space for guests. The kitchen is a chef's dream. Residential-grade appliances include a 19-cubic-foot 12-volt refrigerator, a Lusso range with oven, a stainless steel sink with high-rise faucet, and a microwave. The solid-surface countertops provide ample prep space, while the overhead cabinetry and large pantry offer storage for every ingredient, pot, and pan you could ever need. Alliance RV's attention to detail shows in every aspect, from the soft, close drawers and hidden hinges to the under-cabinet lighting that sets a warm glow across the kitchen. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast or a full family dinner, this kitchen makes cooking on the road a true pleasure. One of the Paradigm 395DS's most remarkable features is its 2 full bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Starting with the front master suite, you're greeted by a luxurious king-size bed with an option for a queen if preferred. Overhead storage, bedside nightstands, and USB charging ports keep convenience close at hand. The room also features a large front wardrobe with washer and dryer prep, ensuring that even long journeys are easy to manage. Connected to the master suite is a private front bathroom, highlighted by a spacious 48 by 30-inch shower, a porcelain toilet, vanity sink with storage, and premium fixtures. This bathroom feels as refined as one you'd find in a boutique hotel. The rear of the coach is where the Paradigm truly separates itself from the competition. Here you'll find a second private bedroom, complete with a queen-size bed, wardrobe storage, and its own smart TV. This suite has direct access to its own private full bathroom, equipped with a shower, vanity, and toilet. This rear bedroom and bath combination makes the 395DS perfect for families traveling together, for hosting guests, or even as a private office space for those working from the road. Above this rear bedroom, a loft provides an additional multi-purpose area, perfect for kids, storage, or even a quiet reading nook. With this configuration, the Paradigm 395DS comfortably sleeps up to 8 people without ever feeling cramped. Of course, comfort isn't limited to sleeping arrangements. The Paradigm 395DS is engineered to handle all 4 seasons with ease. 3 powerful air conditioning units keep the interior cool in the hottest climates, while a 40,000 BTU furnace ensures warmth in winter. The insulation, dual-pane windows, and heated underbelly allow this RV to be a true year-round residence. Practicality is built into every part of this RV. The holding tanks are some of the largest in the industry, 98 gallons of fresh water and 106 gallons each for gray and black water. That means fewer trips to dump stations and more time enjoying the great outdoors. Every inch of the Paradigm has been designed with the user in mind. Alliance eliminated carpet, opting instead for durable, easy-to-clean flooring throughout. Hardwood cabinet doors, soft close hardware, dimmable LED lighting, and modern finishes bring residential comfort into a mobile form. It's a space that feels inviting, functional, and beautiful all at once. And then there's the technology. With modern connectivity options, USB and 110-volt outlets throughout, smart TVs, and pre-wiring for satellite, the 395DS is built to keep you connected wherever you go. Alliance even includes thoughtful touches like hidden storage compartments and underbed storage, ensuring that every square inch of space is maximized. From top to bottom, the 2026 Paradigm 395DS represents the perfect balance of space, style, and strength. It's an RV that understands the needs of large families, traveling professionals, and anyone who wants their home on the road to feel every bit as comfortable as their home at an address. And here's the incredible part. With an MSRP starting around $132,982, the Paradigm delivers true luxury living at a price point that competes with much smaller, less capable RVs. For what it offers, dual bedrooms, dual baths, massive holding tanks, year-round capability, and Alliance's reputation for quality, the 395DS sets a new standard for luxury fifth wheels. The 2026 Paradigm 395DS is not just an RV, it is RV perfection, redefined. A home, a retreat, and an adventure vehicle all in one. Wherever your journey takes you, this RV is ready to deliver comfort, reliability, and style every step of the way. The road is waiting. The Paradigm 395DS is ready.